The WDF violation error can be a frustrating issue, but we have a few solutions to help you resolve it. First, ensure your drivers and windows are up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on Advanced Options, then look for Optional Updates and install any available. After that, return to the main Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates to ensure your system has the latest patches. Next, let us perform a system file checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupt ones. Finally, we will run a disk check utility. Again, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type the command CHKDSK/R/F and press Enter. You will be prompted to press Y and then Enter to schedule the disk check for the next restart. This scan will check your hard drive for errors and attempt to fix them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.